Morning, students. Today I am going to start your chapter number 16, probability. So, this topic is very important, students. So, here I am going to discuss some basic points, that is, that terms that we will use here in this chapter, that is experiment. So, here the experiment is an operation which can produce some well defined outcomes is known as experiment. So there is second one, that is random experiment. Remember, students, if in each trial of an experiment conducted under identical conditions, the outcome is not unique but many be any of the several possible outcomes, then such an experiment is known as the random experiment. For example, tossing of a coin, rolling of an unweighed die, or some problems related to cards. These are the examples of random experiment. Here we will use one term, that is outcomes. So students, remember, when the random experiment of some kind is performed, then associated with the experiment in the set of a possible result, the results are known as the outcome of the random experiment. Right? For example, if you want to explain it with the help of the example, then rolling of a die, there are 6, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 it may come. So that is the rolling of the die is also one of the example of a random experiment, and the total outcome is 6 there. Next is sample space. The set of all the possible outcomes in the random experiment is known as the sample space. The possible outcomes are called the sample points. And remember, student, this sample space is denoted by S. Now here I am making the use of this definition in the exercise question. So let us see, students, here your exercise 16.1. Question number 1 is a coin is tossed 3 times. Then we have to find out the sample space. And this sample space that is denoted by S, then remember, student, it will come as equal to head, tail, head, double tail, tail, head, tail, and tail, double head. So the sample space that will come as equal to 8 in that case, when a coin is tossed 3 times. Second question is, student, in the exercise 16.1, a die is thrown 2 times. Then the sample space is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, then 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 3, 6, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Then students, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Then 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, and 6, 6. So these are the sample space, and in the counting that is equal to 36, right? Now question number 3 is a coin is tossed 4 times. Then the sample space is there, students. Head, 4 time head. Then head, tail. Head, tail. We will change the position of T here now. Or head, tail, double head. Then after that we will introduce 2 tail like this. Then head, double tail, head. Then head, tail, then head, triple tail. Right? Now start with the tail, tail, head. We will change the position of head now like this. And here this is now. We will introduce the 2 head, tail, head, tail, head, and tail, triple head. So remember, student, this is the way by which very easily we can write the sample space, and here we can say that the sample space is 16 here in this question. So these are your question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3 of exercise 16.1. Now let us come with the question number 4. A coin is tossed and a die is thrown. Then students, here the sample space is equal to, in the coin there is head and tail. In the die there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the sample space will be, students, here, that is head 1, head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5, head 6. Then T1, tail 1 means T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. So this is the sample space, means 6 into 2, that is 12. 12 will be the sample space here. Now students, let us come with question number 5. A coin is tossed and then a die is rolled only in case a head is shown in the coin. Then otherwise no. It means the sample space is, this is tail, comma, head 1, this is head 1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. So this is the sample space for question number 5. Let us come with question number 6 then, students. 2 boys and 2 girls are in room X and 1 boy and 3 girls are in the room Y. Specify the sample space for the experiment in which a room is selected and the person. Now here, then a person. Then here the 2 boys and the 2 girls, we have denoted them by B1, B2 and G1, G2 here, and for the room this is X. And here is the 1 boy and 3 girls, that is B1, that is boy is denoted, and with the small G1, G2, 3, the girls are denoted. Now we have to form the sample space. So let us see, student, the sample space will be here X B1, X B2, then X G1 and X G2, right, students? Then with Y room now, this is Y comma B1, small b1, Y comma small g1, Y then G2, Y then G3. So these are the sample space. Question number 7 is same, students. So try yourself.